it?
It's recording.
Okay. So open it up and see what's in it.
Yay!
What? Yeah, look at it. What does it say? No, right here it says B-I-G, which says big. And this says sister. You're going to be a big sister.
Huh.
I don't know. Think about it.
Because I'm going to have a baby?
I hope you're not having a baby, but I'm going to have a baby. Mommy and Daddy, there's a baby in Mommy's belly.
Yours?
Yeah.
A real baby?
A real baby.
In your tummy right now?
In my tummy right now. What do you think about that?
It's right now.
It's right in my belly. I saw it today. It was dancing around.
Right now?
Right now, it's growing and getting strong.
It's in your tummy?
It's in my tummy.
Ah.
Is that exciting?
When did you get it?
When did I get the baby in my belly?
Yeah.
A few months ago. But I just found out that it's a healthy baby. You're gonna be a big sister.
Yeah.
What do you think about that? So now you can wear.
Smile in here.
You're gonna
Yay!
You're cute. You can
Yay
end it right now.
forever. I'm gonna have a baby. There's a baby.
You're gonna be a big sister.
There's a baby.